I was gonna do a quick video on reversing the doorknobs. This is the way I think they're supposed to look so that they fit into your palm pretty comfortably. Easy to change, the only thing you need is a hex key that comes with the lock. I'll show you when they're reversed what it looks like and then how to change it. Probably the most important thing is that they're always the same throughout the house. So this is them reversed, so it's not quite as comfortable in your palm, it doesn't feel quite as natural. So to reverse it, there's a hex key right here, or set screw. You're gonna use the hex, loosen that up, and the handle will come right off. Once it comes off, I'll do it on the other side as well. It's the same thing on the back here. The hex key's on this side. Loosen it up. Careful not to scratch up the door. And then this one will just come off. Come over to this side. Put it on. You can see it's a little more of a comfortable grip in your palm. And then tighten the set screw back up. That's all there is to it. Small things, but it matters. It's nice to have them all consistent at least. All right, hope that video helped somebody.